How to filter a dictionary according to an arbitrary condition function? I have a dictionary of points, say. I want to create a new dictionary with all the points whose x and y value is smaller than 5, i.e. points a, b and. According to the book, each dictionary has the items function, which returns a list of key, pair, tuple. So I have written this. Is there a more elegant way? I was expecting Python to have some super awesome dictionary.filterF function.
You can use a dict comprehension. And in Python 2, starting from 2.7.
You could choose to call .iteritems instead of .items if you're in Python 2 and points may have a lot of entries. All x is lower than 5 for x and v may be overkill if you know for sure each point will always be 2D only. In that case you might express the same constraint with an and, but it will work fine.
If you want those more, please consider subscribing.